If you've been holding back from checking out all the leaked information about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24, your patience is about to pay off. Samsung's big Unpacked event where they unveil their latest products is just a few gates away. For those who have been eagerly awaiting this event, the excitement is building as more details about the new flagship phone are surfacing almost daily. In recent days, a plethora of official marketing materials directly from Samsung have surfaced on the internet. Thanks to Android headlines, we now have access to even more information. This leak is particularly intriguing because it sheds light on the AI, artificial intelligence, features that will be a highlight of the Galaxy S24 series, particularly in the realm of photo editing. Previous reports have hinted at some exciting AI capabilities for the Galaxy S24, S24 Plus, and S24 Ultra. Among these capabilities is the ability to remove and reposition objects within existing photos. An illustrative example of this feature can be seen in one of the leaked images. In a photograph capturing a BMX rider soaring off a ramp, AI technology has been employed to elevate the rider higher into the air than they were at the moment the picture was taken. Beyond your object manipulation, the AI in the Galaxy S24 series also enables users to resize and rotate elements within their photos. Samsung showcased these functionalities in an official promo video for the upcoming Unpacked event. However, it's important to keep in mind that the real-world results of AI-driven photo editing may not always match the perfection depicted in promotional materials. The challenge lies in generating artificial data to fill the empty spaces created when objects are moved or reside, and this process can sometimes yield less than flawless outcomes. While the promotional material looks impressive, the actual results may vary when it comes to AI-based photo or video manipulation. This latest leak doesn't just stop at revealing exciting AI photo editing features. It also spills the beans on the camera specifications and zoom capabilities of Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S24 series. As previously disclosed, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is set to feature an impressive 200MP primary camera. This powerhouse of a camera will excel in capturing lossless 2x zoom shots. The 3x and 5x optical zoom capabilities, on the other hand, will be skillfully managed by 10MP and 50MP telephoto lenses. For those who appreciate ultra-wide shots and striking selfies, the Galaxy S24 Ultra will rely on 12MP cameras, mirroring the specifications of its predecessor, the Galaxy S23 Ultra. If you're wondering whether the Galaxy S24 and S24 Plus have undergone significant camera upgrades, the answer is not quite. These models will maintain the camera setup seen in the Galaxy S23 lineup. The primary camera will feature a 50MP sensor delivering 2x optical zoom quality. Meanwhile, the 10MP telephoto lens will provide a 3 optical zoom, and the 12MP ultra-wide lens will capture stunning wide-angle shots. For selfies, a 12MP front camera will continue to be the choice. As of now, there's no official confirmation regarding the use of newer sensors for any of the cameras in the Galaxy S24 lineup. All eyes are on January 17th when the phones will be officially unveiled, hopefully bringing clarity to these camera details. Now let's talk about the specifications of Samsung S24 series. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra emerges as a beacon of innovation in the smartphone industry, redefining what we expect from our mobile devices. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into every aspect of this groundbreaking device, showcasing why it's more than just a technological advancement. It's a glimpse into the future. Exquisite design and build. The S24 Ultra marks a significant shift in design philosophy for Samsung. The transition to a flat screen, moving away from the curved edges of its predecessors, is not just a stylistic choice. This change enhances the phone's structural integrity, making it more resistant to the rigors of daily use. The sleek gray color and matte finish lend an air of sophistication and class, emphasizing its premium build quality. The introduction of a titanium frame is a game-changer. This choice of material is a testament to Samsung's commitment to innovation, offering a lighter yet sturdier build. This not only makes the phone more comfortable to hold and use for extended periods, but also adds an extra layer of durability. Display, a visual feast. Samsung has always been at the forefront of display technology, and the S24 Ultra is no exception. The 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED screen boasts a resolution of 3088 x 1440 pixels. The 120Hz refresh rate ensures a buttery-smooth visual experience, whether you're browsing, gaming, or watching videos. The screen's peak brightness of 2500 nits/2 guarantees excellent visibility even under direct sunlight, enhancing its usability in outdoor settings. Revolutionary camera system. The camera setup of the S24 Ultra is a marvel of modern technology. The primary 200MP sensor is a leap forward in mobile photography, promising incredible detail and clarity in every shot. The quad camera array also includes a 12MP telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, a 10MP telephoto lens, and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, making it a versatile tool for photographers of all skill levels. This setup allows users to capture everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with equal finesse. Performance, powerhouse on the inside. At the heart of the S24 Ultra is the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This chip is not just about raw power, it's about smart, efficient performance. Coupled with 8 GB of RAM, the S24 Ultra handles everything from everyday tasks to the most demanding applications with ease. The 256 GB of internal storage offers ample space for all your needs, ensuring that you never have to worry about running out of room. Battery life and charging. The 5,000 mAh battery of the S24 Ultra is designed to keep up with the demands of modern life. It supports fast charging with a 45W wired charger, wireless charging, and even reverse wireless charging. This flexibility means that not only can you quickly charge your phone, but you can also lend a helping hand to your other devices when they're running low on power. Operating system and user experience. Running on the latest version of Android, the S24 Ultra provides a smooth and intuitive user interface. Samsung's One UI complements the Android system, enhancing its functionality and ease of use. The ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor is a nod to the importance of security in today's digital age, providing a secure yet convenient way to unlock your device. Connectivity and additional features. The S24 Ultra is equipped with a full suite of connectivity options, including Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and ultra-wideband UWB. These features ensure that the S24 Ultra is ready for any kind of wireless interaction, whether it's connecting to the latest generation of Wi-Fi networks or pairing with a wide range of devices. Unique color options and aesthetic appeal. In addition to the standard gray, the S24 Ultra will be available in 3 exclusive colors: serene blue, refreshing green, and vibrant orange. These options add a touch of personality and style to the device, catering to a range of tastes and preferences. The blue and green variants feature black middle frames, while the orange variant comes with a silver frame, each adding a unique aesthetic appeal to the phone. Pricing and market position. With an expected price of around $1,250, the Galaxy S24 Ultra is positioned as a premium offering in the smartphone market. This pricing reflects the advanced features and superior build quality of the device, targeting users who seek the best in technology and design. Final thoughts. The Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra is not just a smartphone, it's a statement. It's a device that encapsulates the best of what technology can offer today and hints at what's possible tomorrow. As we eagerly await its official release, the S24 Ultra stands poised to not just meet but exceed the expectations of tech enthusiasts and average consumers alike. As we continue to explore the ever-evolving landscape of smartphone technology, the Galaxy S24 Ultra serves as a shining example of what's possible when innovation meets craftsmanship. It's a device that promises to set new standards in the industry and redefine our relationship with technology.